What's up, you guys? This is Derek. I'm in Punta Cana, and I told you guys I was going to show you guys something really cool. I'm definitely here in Punta Cana at the Bavaro Palace Hotel and Resort. Actually, Barcelo Bavaro Palace. And I was able to bring my team, my staff on board. And this is why I say it is important to do this work, because you guys can make it happen. Let me see. Hold on real quick. They done ran off. Tiga, say hey, what's up?
Hey!
Nady, say what's up?
Hi!
That's the crew. So I was able to knock something off of my bucket list, and that's bring my staff out of the country on a staff trip, guys. So if I can do it, you can do it too, all right? Start your program. I'm serious, because it pays off if you work it. Later.